2.14 Stepping out of the GP get point input function and into GP main. There is one more point to illustrate what happens to the value of the local variables into GP get point input after you exit the function. To exit GP get point out input and return control to C graph, click the step out function. So here is the step out function. So if you are there and then get there, you're going to get into that main function. AutoLISP will step to the very end of that get point input function and stop just before existing, and click the step into button. Oh really? Control return to G main and the function that call get point input. Examine the value of the variables in the watch window. Because they are variable local to GP get point input function, endpoint and start point are nil. Wow, it all delete the local variable. Interesting. AutoLISP automatically reclaim the memory occupied by these variables. Normally, the third local function variable have which also contains a value of nil, but due to debugging activity, it is overridden globally in the console window and still processes the value 2.0 in the watch window. Also, the global last value variable display the Gaussian list constructed by the GP get point input. So your first debugging section is complete, but do not forget the program is still suspended animation. So to complete this lesson, click on the continue button on the debug program. Add one. Respond to the prompt. This run the program to complete. Click the debug clear all breakpoints from the AutoLISP menu. So go to debug, clear all breakpoints and choose yes to the prompt. This removes all the breakpoints within your code. Debug, clear all breakpoints. Remember that you can remove individual breakpoint by positioning the cursor at the breakpoint and choosing the total breakpoint button. So you can click whatever you want and click in here, and you can click again to remove it. And that's it for 2.14 stepping out and stepping in.